Today, I will show you how to measure a voltage using an analog multimeter. Let's set up our tester first. We will put the black set probe on the negative sign. Then the red one put on the positive sign. Now, the battery we will use has a voltage of 1.5, so we already know how much voltage the battery. Turn the selector to 10 range because our voltage is 1.5. It should not exceed so that we can accurately read the value of what we are measuring. It should not exceed so that we can accurately read the value of what we are measuring. So as you can see, the pointer points the 1.5 volts. So in 10 range, equivalent for small scale or minor scale is 0.2 volts. Then for 50 range, equivalent for small scale or minor scale is 1 volt. And for 250 is to 5 volts. Let's go back to measuring the voltage. So our voltage is exactly 1.5 and it has no damage yet.